Precious. I just need 5 seconds just to quickly get myself together here. Yes. What are you doing? That's 2 seconds, Precious. 1, 2, 3. See? Easy peasy. Uh-oh. Hey, what was that squeaky noise from you? Huh? How lucky. Uh-oh, my hair is... What do you think? What do you think? Lucky, stop. One, two, three. Aw. You're okay. All right. Hey, you can't eat my hair. I got gel and spray and everything else. Yes. Yes. What do you think? Look, I see a handsome bird. All right, let's finish real quick. Precious. Okay, gotta finish up here. I think Jacob and everybody's coming home soon. Gotta hurry. Lexi, what are they barking at?
They hear someone in the hallway.
Oh. Precious. Precious. Okay, stop eating everything on my face. Stop. I know. I know. You want to check everything out, don't you? Precious. Okay. The best we're going to get.